Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, like I was saying last week, it's probably going to keep drifting up towards these highs, like I was saying in my videos last week, which it did. Now, if this is an impulsive down break of structure, and then this is one, two, three waves up to a Fibonacci level, and then it breaks structure to the downside, then that is likely going to go down for either a wave 3 or a wave C next. Now, the whole key to this is that it needs to break structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level, which it definitely has not done yet on this 4-hour time frame. So going down to the 1-hour time frame, this is the structure that will tell me that this right here is the end of a wave C and it's going back down. If it breaks that level, I would definitely become bearish again. Otherwise, because the weekly is up and the daily is up, I would definitely be looking at this move down as possibly a pullback to this last wave up and possibly getting more waves to the upside. So definitely got a long bias as of now on the higher time frames, which means I'm looking for longs on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.